Hey everybody, it's me once again, Pepe, out here taking a look at some of these lychees. This particular tree is growing in a container. As you can see right there, it's a 7-gallon container, and this is a very, very small tree. This tree is only about 3.5 foot tall, and it's got lots of new flushes right now. It's June 13th today, and I've picked off quite a few lychees from it. This tree produced about somewhere around 20 lychees, roughly 15 to 20, and I've been picking them and eating them a little bit at a time. And I just wanted to show you that you can actually grow a lychee tree in a container and you get some terrific fruit. Now, one thing that's really important is don't let the lychees stay on the tree too long. You got to pick them when they're ready. And these have been here now a little longer than they should have. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a little tug and remove it from the stem. First, we'll show you this one. Did you see that nice amount of moisture that came out? Here we have a nice lychee. Okay, that was delicious.